Testosterone is a male sex hormone that plays a key role in maintaining masculine characteristics. As a man ages, his testosterone production declines, resulting in changes in cognitive function, sex drive, muscle mass, strength, and power. Furthermore, changes in metabolism make it difficult for aging men to maintain youthful body composition. So today I'll discuss Best Testosterone Booster Supplement 2023. So don't skip the video and watch till the end. So let's start. 1. Nature's Plus T Male Testosterone Boost for Men. Nature's Plus T Male is a revolutionary supplement that nutritionally supports healthy, natural testosterone production in men. Testosterone positively influences male physiology, promoting strength, endurance, stamina, vitality, energy, brain function, mood, sexual function, and more. Powerful nutrients, featuring polyphenols, high-potency zinc aspartate, calcium, and fenugreek, contribute to the healthy production of revitalizing testosterone. Check the link in the description. 2. Muscle Tech Test HD Powerful Testosterone Amplifier. Test HD is the complete testosterone boosting formula, optimizing natural testosterone levels within the normal healthy range in men can impact performance, support increases in muscle mass, and help you take your training to another level. It is for adult use only. This product is not intended for use by those with serious medical conditions. Consult a family physician if you have a medical condition or before starting any diet or exercise program. Keep out of reach of children. Store in a cool, dry place. 3. Owen Naturals Testosterone Extra Fat Burn. They are available in liquid soft gels. The nutrients in these easy-to-swallow liquid soft gels are released fast. Other forms of delivery can contain binders and fillers that may cause stomach upset and offer no nutritional value. Advanced liquid soft gels provide an optimum delivery system. 4. RSP Nutrition Prime T Testosterone Booster. Natural Testosterone Booster. Prime T has been scientifically formulated to increase natural testosterone production, with every ingredient supported by scientific research for effectiveness. Supports muscle growth, strength, and stamina. Supports healthy hormone levels, which are critical for building lean muscle, boosting strength, supporting weight loss and improving body composition. Increase energy and vitality. Optimized formula supports wellness, energy, vitality, and the vigor you need to perform physically both in and out of the gym. 5. Evolution Nutrition EVL Test Testosterone Support Complex. Not for use by those with pre-existing medical conditions or taking any medications. Not for use by women. Discontinue use 2 weeks prior to surgery. Keep out of reach of all children. Do not exceed recommended serving size or suggested use for any reason. Use for a maximum of 12 weeks, then take a 4-week break before beginning use again. Check the link in the description.